Hi everybody, how you doing today? I'm at a park that is in the middle of the exit coming off of Century just after the underpass on Portage Avenue. There was obviously a large fountain here at one time. It's not been working in a long time. I have no idea what this park is called. I'm hoping it has an interesting name because there were lights and a cement fountain and maybe a pool that was here. Anyway, it's kind of cool place to come and take a look, although it's not been looked after in a long time, it seems. If you're off to Safeway or riding through this area for some reason, come and take a look. Enjoy exploring Winnipeg, all the different kinds of places. I'll see if I can find the name and put it as the name up above. Have a great day. Bye.